Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing incline bench supported rows. When we do these, we are going to be on our incline bench to support our chest. All you need to do is have your dumbbells hanging down by your sides, and you are going to pull them to your low ribs, hip area. When we do this, I want you to think about leading with your elbow behind you and squeezing your shoulder blades behind your back. So for more excellent back strengthening exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.